Hello.
Hi.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. So
Yes.
you belong to Rajasthan.
Yes.
Okay. And right
And
now you are
right now I'm living in Mumbai.
living in Mumbai.
Yes.
So what's
Since
your name?
my name is Shona.
Shona.
Yes.
Okay. So I have this curiosity because I have not been to Mumbai, and a lot of viewers will find it really strange that this guy makes videos and he's not been to Mumbai.
It's
It just
okay.
happened.
It's normal.
So I would want to know about Mumbai from your point of view.
Okay. So my point of view is
So just focus on the differences between. Have you
Differences.
been to Delhi?
Definitely, definitely, many
Have you
times.
spent time in Delhi?
Yes, of
So
course.
now this is a very interesting topic, always comparing Delhi and Mumbai.
Yeah.
So let's do that and let's listen what you have to say
So
about
okay,
that.
so I found many difference in Delhi and Mumbai.
Okay.
Mumbai is like very busy city. Mumbai people don't have
Is it
time.
fine if I sit on the light? Maybe not fine. That's all right. Okay.
Because
I got
because it's hitting my eyes. So Mumbai is like very busy city. People don't have time.
In
Mumbai
Mumbai.
people don't have time.
And in Delhi, do they have?
Yeah, they have.
Okay.
Maybe little. They have little
In
time.
comparison to.
Exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And Mumbai, you hear about Mumbai. This thing, Mumbai never sleep.
Is it true?
Yeah, it's true.
I thought it was a Bollywood line.
No, it's really
So
true.
Mumbai never sleeps.
No, never
Okay.
sleep.
Okay.
It's like the same in a midnight. It's same in a day. It's same
Really?
every Yes.
So I really find it interesting.
Yeah,
because
it's
then you
really-
can roam around anytime.
Yeah,
because
of course,
it's the same.
of course.
So is it for all the parts in Mumbai or just some parts?
Yeah, I think all of the parts
Okay,
of Mumbai.
all over to Mumbai.
Yes, all
so
over.
is it? Do you know that which is bigger, Mumbai or Delhi, area-wise?
I'm not sure
You're
about
not sure.
this.
Okay, that's
I
great,
think
that's great.
Mumbai.
I can find it on Google.
I think in a population it's Mumbai maybe.
in population, it
Yeah?
must be Mumbai.
Yeah,
Of course.
of course. And the second interesting thing is about about Mumbai. It's a dream city.
Dream city.
Yes,
In
it's
what
really
sense?
dream
Yeah,
city
dream
in
for
every
everything.
every sense.
And I guess Mumbai also offers you more variety as far as opportunities are concerned, career opportunities
Definitely.
are concerned.
And also Mumbai, it's best place to learning to about life.
Life.
Yes, life lesson. We
Life
can
lesson.
say life lesson.
Okay.
Yeah. If you it's like if you can survive in Mumbai, after that you can survive everywhere.
Really?
It's also true. Yes,
You
it's
can
true.
survive. So is it so hard to survive in Mumbai?
Yeah, it's so hard.
I have a friend in Mumbai actually, and he's in government job. He is in income tax or something.
Okay.
And he was telling, oh, there is no, Mumbai is a place for businessmen, all industrialists, and nobody really cares if you're a government official.
Yeah, it's true.
And
That's true.
and the salary doesn't stand anywhere. as
Exactly.
compared to
They.
cost of life in
I
Mumbai.
have also friend in Mumbai. They really not interested in in a government
job.
They are
Yeah, yeah.
really
But
not.
in Gujarat and in Mumbai,
In
these areas,
this government job craze in Rajasthan, mostly Rajasthan and
so in
Haryana.
Rajasthan there is a craze for government jobs.
It's so much craze.
So much craze.
Also my cousin, he's preparing like for a government job.
services.
It's from like 2-3 years. Still, he's doing. Like they are crazy for a government job. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And maybe mostly this is I think the reason of government job craze. I think parent in
Yeah,
Rajasthan.
parents
Yes.
and of course relatives.
And in Mumbai, the parent also like they are open-minded. They don't care about they never think about this government job is necessary.
Okay.
And I think this is the reason mostly. And third interesting thing in Mumbai, it's a local railway.
Local railway. Yes,
Yes.
I have heard a lot about
It's
it.
really interesting.
Some people told me that you don't have to make efforts to enter. You just be in the crowd.
Exactly,
And-
and that is the most important part of a life lesson.
Okay.
Exactly, because it's very hard. It's very hard
So
to.
you have been into that grill
Yeah, I honestly I did 3-4 time.
in Mumbai.
Five,
local?
maybe not 3-4 time. I did 4-5-6 time. I think travel from local
local,
Mumbai local. It was crazy,
Crazy.
but it was also interesting.
Interesting. When I see it on television, even Discovery and History Channel cover that, I really find it very scary actually.
Exactly, it's scary for us. It was for me also.
Okay.
And also it's scary for everyone. But except Mumbai people.
Except
They are completely, practice.
Okay with that.
They when train is coming on platform, they can't even wait for stop to train. They like they never wait for stop.
Okay, they don't
No,
wait. They just
no.
know how to act.
Yeah, exactly.
But
they
is,
like.
is it not dangerous?
Of course, it's dangerous.
But
Many
they're used to
accidents
this.
happen there.
Oh, and
Many.
accidents do happen.
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
But people are used to it. I said one thing, na. People don't have time in Mumbai.
People don't have time.
Exactly.
Oh, so it's a tough life.
It's a very tough life. But again, I think it's a life lesson.
It's life lesson.
It's exactly. And you said to me, your friend said to you, Mumbai is
Cost
for
of living
beginning.
is-
It's
cost of
high.
living, very high.
It's high.
He was telling me that he was just looking for 1 BHK flat,
Yeah.
which was also very small. And he told me this last year, I guess, and he told it is costing around 60 lakhs.
Exactly.
And for a government employee
Mhm.
to make 60 lakhs,
Exactly.
he has spent around 10 years in service, but he has not been able to, save that much. 60
Okay.
lakhs is a big amount.
And also Mumbai divided in parts.
Okay.
Okay. So some parts like from Borivali,
Borivali.
from Borivali to maybe Malad and Andheri. I exactly not remember. These part like for middle class people. We can't say that middle class even because they have to they need to salary like 1 lakh per month. They need
1 lakh
to survive there. Even Andheri, even Borivali, and
I think 1 lakh per month is basic.
it's a normal basic amount.
here in these tier 2 or tier 3.
1 lakh and 2 lakh it is between 1-2 lakh.
Mumbai,
Okay,
it must be
and I'm talking about only these areas, Borivali, Andheri, Malad, and I'm talking about only these areas. I'm not talking about and second part of Mumbai, it's a Bandra, Juhu. You heard about Bandra,
I have
Juhu?
heard
Okay,
movies,
so these
things,
part
yeah.
only occupied by celebrities.
Celebrities.
Yes,
Okay, Bandra.
yes, and normal people can't take a room or there. It's a
There's
room.
Ghatkopar.
Ghatkopar, it's also like
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay.
But Juhu, Bandra, Bandstand, and these part occupied completely by celebrities.
Celebrities. So do you mean like celebrities of movies or other celebrities?
Movie celebrity. Even television, TV actors, they can't afford there.
They can't afford.
They
So it's
can't-
like a class system.
Exactly, this is class
So
system.
just by the area, now
Yeah.
this high class has started, or
So
this is straight off.
when you're living in a Borivali and Andheri, when you go to Juhu, you will be feel completely different.
Okay.
You will be feel, oh my God, this is Mumbai.
So, but I think this kind of such a huge difference,
It's a huge difference.
does it not make feel, because if I would be there, I would be really feeling very inferior.
Of course, I also did.
And you
I
feel
also
low.
did. Of course, I
because
did.
Then you feel like, oh my god, I have nothing, and I have so much to do in life. And does it not put a unnecessary pressure?
Yes, and you also heard
not
one.
healthy.
Yeah, it's of course
It's not
because these part. I'm sharing my experience also because I'm a very sensitive person. I have a dust allergy issue,
Just tell us.
Yes.
Okay.
and when I shifted Mumbai,
Shifted to Mumbai.
I was like living in a Borivali nearby Mira Road. You heard about Mumbai people know about these parts. Okay, so it was horrible for me when I shifted there. My dust allergy was like a worst.
So there is lot
Because
of
no greenery there, no space there, no garden there. Normally like a very small garden and no greenery, no trees, no space, nothing there. Only building,
That is
and it's like a very congested.
unnatural.
Exactly. People living there like I don't know how I
Boxes.
explain. Exactly.
Like
It's a very bad condition. And when you when we talk about Juhu and Bandra, these places like it's like a heaven.
They have all
It's
the
like
amenities.
it's a sea view. Okay.
It's like there was this movie
Yes.
which Hrithik Roshan did, the Bihari guy. Which was that movie? Super 30.
I don't know
I
about
have seen
that actually. I
movie.
heard
There's
it,
a
but
dialogue that rich people have made such big roads for themselves.
exactly.
And they have left all these big potholes for we poor people. But one day we will just jump over them and show them we are
Exactly.
superior.
And
So do you think that such a huge difference in the basic things, because on one side, as you mentioned, they have all the amenities, they have all the greenery and all the necessities of a natural life,
Yes.
and on the other side, other people who have not much resources, they are living
exactly. They are
to say
living
in
like
kind of unhuman.
Exactly,
Because
so.
if you don't have greenery, you have only just boxes, and you just put their like substances or objects in the boxes. It is unhuman.
exactly.
You are not an object. You are a human being. You need air.
I
you need
objected, but
sunshine.
what can I do?
But why don't people think? Why
don't
do
know.
people go to Mumbai so much? Just
Because maybe the reason the work, I think work opportunity mostly.
so
This is the reason.
that part of your career, the work.
Some go come to Mumbai like for dream, like they wanted to, some wanted to actor, some wanted to TV actor. So it's also
lot of people
lots of
go to
struggler.
Mumbai, lot of strugglers.
Yes.
And lot of
The one
heartbreaks.
place
Lot
for
of
only
heartbreaks.
strugglers.
Heartbreaks.
Exactly,
Lot of
heartbreaks.
Because when the
That's
dream
yeah.
is shattered, you are just left heartbroken.
Yeah, and you also heard about one thing about Mumbai. Mumbai it's for rich people.
Hmm.
You know,
Is it true?
it's true.
Mumbai is for rich.
If you are rich, you can live there like a good life, a quality of life. But if you are not rich, that place not for you. You have
Maybe people go there to become rich.
exactly.
So either you
exactly.
become rich first, then shift to Mumbai.
I think I prefer this.
Because that will save you from a lot of inferiority
exactly. Then
complex.
you directly can go to Juhu and you can buy a flat and you can live there.
So as you told that the very basic amenities that are really necessary for human beings to live, I think small towns do have them. We have a lot of spaces and greenery and all that. But yes,
They don't have opportunity,
they don't
job
have the
opportunity.
opportunities.
Okay.
And sometimes or many times the society is toxic.
Exactly, it's also true. But
What about
yeah,
the
this is the
toxicity?
point. This is the point.
Yes, society, because in
Yeah.
villages
Yeah.
and in smaller cities, there is a toxicity
Because
among the people.
you know,
because
I am also from Rajasthan.
they don't like the other person succeeding in life.
the
So
interfere.
how is it in Mumbai?
In Mumbai, it's really very nice.
Very
People don't care about people, what they are doing, where they are going. They really don't care. They don't have even time
They don't
to
have the
think.
think for jealousy and all
Where
that.
are you going? What are you doing? No, they don't have time to think. Even if you are living with your neighbor, your next door is your neighbor
have no
door.
idea about
He and they really don't know about you. What are you doing?
So being from Rajasthan, which I think is a very cultural state,
Exactly.
and it's an attraction all over the world. I have talked to a lot of Westerners over here, and many of them have visited Rajasthan as a tourist attraction, and it has been since decades. And I think so. There is something about Rajasthan.
Okay.
I think Rajasthan is a cultural brand. So being a Rajasthani, when you shifted to Mumbai, how long it took you to adjust with all that?
It was like really challenging for me.
Challenging for you.
Because I was from like a small town,
Okay,
you know.
in Rajasthan.
Yes. And when I went to Mumbai, it's the biggest city of India.
Yes.
You can understand, and it was like challenging, but it also interesting for me.
Interesting.
Yeah, because I'm born in a village, a small town, but my thoughts and my think like
Your dreams are-
always like a bigger.
Okay. So would you
So
mind?
I am open-minded from my childhood.
Okay. So did your family support you with your Mumbai dream?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was a little hard to convince
You
them.
had to convince.
Exactly. It
So
was-
would you mind if I ask about family, or I can avoid that?
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. So
no problem.
will you tell me about your family, like who are in the family?
I have in Rajasthan, my father, my mother, my
Joint family?
Yes, I have joint family. My grandfather, grandparents also. But unfortunately, last year in September, I lost my grandma,
Oh.
and she was very close to me.
Yes, I
She was like close to me more than my mother.
Yes, sorry for
Also,
that. Okay.
it was my first and biggest heart break.
But our dear ones, as they say,
Yeah, exactly.
they never leave us.
And
Bodies to leave.
I have older sister
Okay.
and one younger brother, one older brother.
Okay. So you're four
Yes.
siblings.
Yes, my sister living in Delhi.
Sister lives. So how many years have you spent in Delhi? Did you live in Delhi for some years?
Because I said my sister is living there, so many times. When it's like 1 or 2 years I spent in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 or 2 years you spent. in
Yes.
Delhi. So who is the decision maker in your family? Father or grandfather? Or they are
I think both.
Both in collaboration.
I think so
Because
both.
they sent their girl to Mumbai, so I think it must have been a kind of decision.
Yeah, it's true.
So which field are you, if you are okay telling?
Actually, right now I'm a fashion model.
Okay, fashion model.
Yes.
Oh, all the best. So you are at the right place, and you definitely needed the Mumbai.
Exactly. yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So did you do some course or something like that? Because I don't have an idea about.
Because my father always wanted to I've become a government servant, but
Safety.
but
secure job.
I didn't accept.
You didn't accept.
Yeah.
But I would.
I did my master, but I
Masters.
never used my degree.
Masters in which?
Arts, geography.
Okay. From Rajasthan itself.
Yes, Rajasthan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you told me things about Mumbai that for like a beginner they are not so nice. Now tell some, because I can feel you like Mumbai also.
Of course, I love
So now
Mumbai.
you just tell me
but I
about the-
told you Mumbai like divided in parts also. I told you about 2 parts. It's a 3. The best part of Mumbai. This is South Mumbai. It's lovely.
Okay.
You should go there and you should explore things there. It's lovely. It's my favorite part.
Okay,
Really,
South Mumbai.
it's lovely. It's like the greenery and the South Mumbai is looking like it's just Europe.
Really?
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's Europe. It's
Are there
India.
Westerners over there
Exactly.
in South Mumbai?
It's everything,
Do Westerners live
architecture.
in Mumbai so much? Like
Maybe in South Mumbai.
Maybe in
South
South
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
South Mumbai. This is occupied by billionaires,
billionaires.
businessmen like
Okay.
Ambani,
Oh.
and yeah, they
I
are
think
living.
these people from Western countries also have job opportunities here in Mumbai, as we can see. in movies, a lot of Westerners are also
Yeah, South
shown,
Mumbai.
dancers and all that.
yeah.
I think so. They also come here for job opportunities.
Of course, definitely.
So maybe they must have their colonies like that, like this
I
one.
don't know, they all like, I told you, they all like, they come into like a celebrity, movie celebrity, so they all like living like Jew.
But not all of the Westerners are celebrities. Some are like dancers, like a dancer who.
I'm talking about only most people. You understand? So I'm talking about, if we talk about South Mumbai, it's beautiful part of Mumbai. It's most expensive part of Mumbai.
South-
I think not only Mumbai, but I think India. It's a very, very expensive part of Mumbai. You heard about Marine Drive?
I have heard Marine
Yeah,
Drive.
it's Marine Drive part of South Mumbai.
Because Mumbai is one place which is shown so much in movies.
And
So yeah, so we,
always you noticed,
Marine Drive.
sometime Marine Drive, they like they, in pictures,
yes,
you
in
notice
that
Marine
movie,
Drive.
Munna Bhai MBBS,
Exactly.
that Sanjay
Many-
Dutt and
many
Arshad
pictures,
Varsi used
yeah.
to sit where? Marine Drive.
Yes, yes, that
is
part of
Marine
Marine Drive, yes, yes. And also that movie, Wake Up Set.
Which Wake Up Set?
Yes.
I don't remember it
Okay,
much.
okay, okay.
But I have seen the movie, but I don't exactly remember. But
Yes, the Marine Drive. It's also my favorite part. You go to Marine Drive, sit there, see the sea, the biggest sea, and
Sea,
oh my
okay.
God, it's beautiful.
So what brings you to Rishikesh from Mumbai? Like if you are coming to Rishikesh, traveling such a long distance, so I guess there must be some.
It's my
something to-
grandma. I told you.
Okay. She
I
used to
was-
come to Rishikesh.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
When I lost my grandma September, I was like a very
Lost.
completely.
Okay.
2-3 months, I was completely lost. I did not anything about this world and about even my family. I like
I can understand.
exactly. And I was like, I was not able to think, to do things, and I was completely changed and lost after that.
Okay.
And one day I woke up and
Yeah.
I thought, I love to try different things, And one day I woke up and I thought about yoga.
Yoga.
Yes.
Okay. Did you join any yoga course over here?
In Jan I did my TTC
This
200. Yes.
Okay.
I
so
came to Rishikesh 1st of Jan.
200 hours.
Yes.
So, do you have a certificate now?
Yes, of course.
So now you are a certified yoga teacher, and you can also start now your classes.
No, but I'm not interested.
You are not
to-
interested, but a lot of Europeans come over here just for that thing. They get the
Mm-hmm.
certificate and then they go back to their country and they become yoga teachers over there after just 1 month or this 200 hour of teacher training.
But honestly, I wanted to share my experience with you. You can't be a teacher in a
I know.
24
and
days.
everybody knows.
24 days only.
But there is this commercial aspect,
Exactly.
because here they are offering you yoga courses because it is totally a commercialized thing. And yoga is not only about these gymnastic poses.
Exactly,
It has
yeah.
to come from within. It's
Yeah.
body, mind, and soul.
Yes,
So
of course.
They all have to be in union.
Yeah.
So, but these Europeans who come over here, they have this objective. I don't know how much they're interested in learning the actual yoga. And many of them are. I won't say that. But then
Yeah.
after getting the
Did you
certificate-
notice one thing in Rishikesh?
What?
I was in Rishikesh for I was in Jan for 1 month.
Okay.
I,
This
I,
Jan.
I was doing only my yoga things that time.
2024.
Yeah, exactly. And
I was also here in Jan
after
for 10 days.
finished my yoga,
Uh-huh.
I was also here for 1 month, like whole fab, and I only explore things here. I only talk to people, mostly foreigners.
Yeah, yeah.
I was very curious to know.
So while you were doing your yoga, I think you must have these Westerners also because.
In my yoga school, I was only one Indian.
Okay, so which was that yoga school?
Yes.
Which was that?
It was Adi Yoga Pit and Upper Tapovan side.
Upper Tapovan
Yes.
is that side.
Upper Tapovan,
Upper Tapovan is that. That
I
side
don't
of
know.
Tapovan.
Like I
That
don't.
side, that side of Gangaji.
Yeah. But you know, na Upper Tapovan.
Yeah, Upper Tapovan
Yeah.
is this side. We are
Okay.
right now sitting on the Tapovan side.
I have no idea actually about that.
And would you like to tell how much it costed? Maybe someone would like to know.
Okay.
24 days yoga training. How much did it cost you?
Maybe it will be not good
Okay, then.
because it's a different, for Indian and foreigners.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so for foreigners, it did they charge more.
Definitely.
Okay, that's all right. Okay, then you can tell me afterwards when you're not filming.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Off
Definitely.
the video.
Definitely.
But I'm not going to join any of them because
Of course.
I don't want to stretch my body and.
Yeah,
I
you can
do-
by yourself because in 24 days it doesn't make sense.
It's just it's just like
After completed my yoga, I realized also that was also
gimmick. But we are revealing a lot of things people may not like it. That's okay.
it's a waste of money.
You see, I already knew all these things. See, I'm a North Indian and I'm from middle class family.
Okay.
We
course
do
I am.
so much research before spending our money.
Exactly, but it was I think waste of money because for 24 days only. How can you be
But
a
how
teacher?
was that whole experience? So you,
His experience was nice.
Enriching.
For experience, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now I'm switching to just a different question.
Yeah,
In
sure.
Mumbai, do you think like we started off talking, we did not talk it in video about English. So in Mumbai, do you think this class system with English, that the people who are not very fluent in English or or at a beginner level in English, is there some do they face any discrimination in Mumbai?
Of course.
They do face.
Of course, because you know, in Mumbai, it's like I think it's necessary to
Be speaking in English.
yeah, because you know, if you are going to apply normal job, you know, maybe if you are going to apply normal job 8,000 and 10,000,
English is a
you
big
should
must.
know English, you know.
And I think they also think English, just speaking English, brings a mannerism in you. This is what they feel, which may be necessary for the job.
I don't know, but
Because this is their point of view. Because they say English is just not only a language or any language.
yeah, exactly.
Even if it is Rajasthani.
Yeah, exactly.
Because if I start speaking Rajasthani, it's not only what I'm speaking, it's about I am adapting to that tradition. You know, and it is same. And I also feel when I speak Hindi and when I speak English, I'm not the same. I feel
Exactly,
that.
exactly.
I feel
Because
that.
you know, I think we can feel more when we are talking in our you know in our mother tongue. We can feel more.
I love my mother tongue.
Exactly, it's true.
Uh,
It's not the same feeling what we are when we are talking in English and when we are talking in Hindi. It's a different
it's different.
for us, of course.
I think,
but I think it's for everyone. It's
I
not for
think
only
the,
us.
the different parts of mind gets engaged while
Yeah.
we are using this language.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So it was really nice talking to you. I think I can go on talking like that. But you
Okay.
really shared something about Mumbai, which I was curious about.
Of course.
And of course, I could have Googled it. And yes, there are a lot of YouTube videos about it. But then knowing it from the person who has the first
Definitely, it's a different
it is
personal
different
experience.
feeling also.
Of course,
And
of
it is
course.
more interesting
Yeah.
also. So I just hope some viewers or many viewers would like to benefit from your point of view. And yes,
Maybe
I
maybe
got-
some not.
those who will
Because everyone have different experiences,
those
you
who
know.
will- no, but you told your experience.
Yeah, of course, I
I am
told.
sure many strugglers will connect with it.
Exactly.
100%. I just assure you, the strugglers will connect with it. You know, I had an idea that this could be going on there, but when you told me, you know, I was also adding to it because I'm into psychology. I like to not a professional degree, but
Okay,
yes, I really like to read the psychology of the people. Like, this person is in this situation, what must be going on in their mind? Sometimes I think I am looking at a dog,
Okay.
and it is my habit to try to think from his point of view.
Ah, it's nice.
Yeah, what
It's
this
nice.
this living being, because he's also soul.
Of course.
What he must be thinking, surrounded by these humans.
Exactly.
So I do that more sometimes.
It's beautiful.
Okay, then we end up this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking and sharing.
Yeah.
Take care.
Okay.
Can you just say Har Har Gange?
Har Har Gange.
Okay, because we
Bye
are in
bye.
Rishikesh.
Yeah, of course, definitely. This is a beautiful part of Rishikesh. I think
This is
all bites off
amazing,
because of
amazing, amazing.
this Gange.
You never get this combination, because I always say in Rishikesh you get this combination of Shiva's energy, Lord Shiva, Mahadev,
But
Ganga Ji, and Himalayas.
yeah, it's beautiful part. Rishikesh. This is the beautiful part of Rishikesh, I think.
Yes, it is, of course. You think correct.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
then.
okay. Bye bye.
Take care.